Hello everyone, welcome back to the lecture session. Today we are going to start our new chapter, chapter number 8, tens and ones. So we had already learned about what is tens and ones in the first standard, but in second standard we will learn it again with the detail. So let's begin with the textbook. Open the page number 56 where you will find out the chapter number 8. Here is one story. Okay. Here is a girl who shout, help me. Uncle, I want to buy pencil for 18 rupees. I have just 10 rupee notes and 1 rupee coin. How many notes and coins should I give you? Then uncle said, 18 rupees means one note of 10 rupees and 8 1 rupee coins. Okay, and she counted like this. Now she said, how many notes and coin do I need to give 35 rupees? Then uncle said, you give me 3 10 rupee notes and 5 coins of 1 rupees. Then she said, okay uncle, if again she started some question and uncle has some doubt. Hey, just tell me how many pencils do you want? उसने पूछा कितनी pencils चाहिए? Then she said, none uncle. Thank you uncle for helping me with my homework. So she is very smart and she made him to do all her homeworks. Okay. But what is the moral of the story? Here we had learned the breaking of the amount, right? In tens and ones. So based on this concept, we will learn the next topic. On the next page, page number 57, you will find out this. Can you do this without uncle's help? Draw the 10 rupee notes and 1 rupee coins you will give for these things. Here is 20. Two groups of 10. 10 plus 10 is 20. So this is the way. Then 32. So here we had said 32. 30 means 30 means 10, 20, 30 and 2. 1 and 2. 32. Next is 55 rupees. 50. 50 means 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and the 5 coins of rupees 1. So this is the way you can bifurcate all the amount in tens and ones. Now next, how much money do the notes and coin make? So here is a 30 rupees. That means 1, 2 and 3. 10, 20 and 30 rupees. 3 notes of 10 rupees makes 30 rupees. Then here 10, 20, 1, 2 and 3. 23 rupees. 2 notes of rupees 10 and 3 coins of rupees 1. Here, after counting all this coin, we can find out there are 10 coins of rupees 1. So, 10 rupees. Here is 10, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, it is 27 rupees. Okay. Next, 10, 20, 30, 40. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, total we can say 40 plus 5 is 45. So, this is the 45 rupees. Turn your page. Based on that, there are some more activity on this. It is a practice time. I will see a number. Guess the breakup. Then the boys say, okay, you say it, I will do it. 64. 60 plus 4. 25. 20 plus 5. What about 12? How will you do that? See, for 64 and 25, the number name tells the breakup. Okay? The number name is 64. जैसे हम बोलते हैं बिल्कुल वैसे ही लिखते हैं. So that it will make your work easy. But 12 is different. So 11 and 19, which is completely wrong. So here, now we will write down this and also say them aloud. 27 means 20 plus 7. 31. तो जैसे बोलते हैं बिल्कुल वैसे 30 plus 1. 54. 50 plus 4. 90 plus 9. 99. 63. 60 plus 3. 36. 30 plus 6. 80 plus 2, 82. Next, you try writing the breakup for this, okay? 1 to 12. So 10 plus 2, 12. 19. 10 plus 9, 19. 11. 10 plus 1, 11. 10 plus 7, 17. So this is the way you will break off the number and write down in the expanded form like this. Okay, some of the expanded form has been written and you will write down the short form like this. So that's super easy exercise. Look at the next page. Page number 59, where you will find out some bangle throw game. Okay, Karma and the Gazer are playing bangle game. Karma has thrown the bangle on the dots. Each big red dot is equal to 10 points and each small green dot is equal to 1 point. Okay, according to that they are counting the points. The dots inside the bangle is, there are 4 red dots, so 10, 20, 30, 40. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So total point is 44. 40 and 4 total is 44 points. So they throw bangles twice each and here are their points. Okay, the first round and the second round. And their points are given. So in the first game the Karma was won and in the second game Gazer was won the game. Now look at the next page. Here is already a big picture with some red dots and green dots. You can also play this game with your friend using the board above and write your points to each row. So I think this thing would be done by yourself in the homework. It will be fun for you. Look at the next page, page number 61. The Flute Man and the Rat. Here is the famous story of the Flute Man and Rat. Okay, in this picture, can you observe that you will find out the rats are all around in this town, everywhere. Okay, and they are harassing the people like nothing. So the king of the town or king of the that place said, I want someone to catch the rat in the basket. For each rat, you get 1 gold coin. Okay, he announced publicly. Then in this third picture, you can see that one flute man said, I will do it. What? With a flute? The king was amazed. Number 4, look at the flute man is using his flute and all the rats are coming behind him like dancing in this tune and they are sitting in that basket on their own. And the king said, my rewards. And that flute man come to the king and he said, my reward, sir, I have collected 18 rats. Okay, but the king said, but how did you count so many rats? Turn your page. Simple, I used these cards. I counted 1 rat and kept 1 card in my pocket. 1 for 1 rat. Okay, 2 cards for 2 rats. And 6 cards for 6 rats. Okay, for how many rats? These are the 6 cards for the 6 rats. When I had 10 card, I change it with this card 10 in my pocket. So we can say that 110 means 10 ones. Okay, so these are the 10 ones. It will convert into 10. Then came 7 more rats. And then I had in my pocket 10 plus 7, 17 rats. This is the way he count the rats. Which card will he have in his pocket if he has counted up to 23 head? There are 2 cards of 10 and 3 cards of 1. So this is the way I had done all this thing for you. 47, 4 cards of 10 and 7 cards of 1. 55, 10 cards of 5 and 5 cards of 1. Here we can easily find out Here is a tens place and here is a ones place. So tens place पे कितने number है? 2. That means you have a 2 cards of 10. Tens place पे 5 है. That means you have a 5 cards of 10 and 5 cards of 1. 6 cards of 10 and 3 cards of 1. 7 cards of 10 and 2 cards of 1. This is the way you will write down all these exercise. Now look at the next page. The story has not completed yet. The king gave him gold coin and he counted. These are not 80 coins. Can you guess what happened next? Now act out of the story in class. Here enjoy your rest because he didn't give him complete 80 coins. So he opened the basket and all the rats are coming out of it and all over he run here and there on the king. So this is the story. So this is it for this session. Next time we are going to solve the exercise in the workbook and I will explain each and every exercise. Till that, stay at your home, stay safe, stay healthy and keep enjoy learning from the lecture session. Till that, goodbye.